And this is the X Factor. We have one contestant. No, we don't. Two. But they're all in one group.
No one in one group.
And 3 judges.
One judge.
Let's get busy.
We got 3.
We got 3 judges. Right, yeah.
Hey, welcome. Yasmin. What are you called? Dazzle and
Showtime!
Dazzle and Wheels. What are you going to be performing for us today?
Singing and...
Oh my god, you